عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا ربنا حسين وعلى مرحبا بكم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا مولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. Kita berdoa Muhammad makan di tengah jalan kata Muhammad. Saya cakap kalau rabbi ini kita berdoa Allah Mesir. Saya berdoa Muhammad and my benefit me. Ada also explain about adoptive parents. Parents is the respect, obedience, and affection we show to our parents. It is a form of appreciation for their service and sacrifice and raising and educating us. Adoptive parent is a religious teaching that is highly emphasized, especially in Islam. Now, why is adoptive parent important? Religious obligation in Islam, being kind to one parent is a highly emphasized obligation. The payment of kindness. Doing good to your parent will get a great reward from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Keeping in touch, adoptive parents will strengthen family relationship and maintain friendship. Set an example respectful behavior toward our parents will set a good example for our children and grandchildren. Example of adoptive parents: speak softly, not yelling or speaking harshly to parents, obeying order, doing what our parents tell us to do, as long as it is not against religion. Asking permission from parents before doing something. Frequently visiting parents, especially if they are sick or elderly. Always praying for the good of one parent. Evidence on adoptive parents. Adoptive parents is a reflection of noble character. By practicing good manners toward our parents, we not only honor them, but also draw closer to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. I think that enough and apologies. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.